welcome to Bitesize Piano. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to play the piano part chords accompaniment to Daylight by David Kushner. I'll sing just as a reference point and I've left where you can find the full chords and lyrics in the description. So let's dive in. We're just going to be using all of the white keys for this one. Just a bit of a disclaimer. The original track has been slightly sped up or slowed down, so it means that the notes don't exactly match the perfect pitch notes that we have on a piano. So I've been looking at live versions so I can accurately get the notes. So basically it just means that it won't sound very nice if you play along with this with the original track. Here is middle C as a reference point. I'll teach both hands at the same time, so left hand is blue and right hand is orange on the top screen there. So the first chord is F major, so F in the left hand, and in the right hand that's second inversion, so that's C, F and A. I'm going to hold that down so that we're just looking at the intro first, so 1, 2. The next chord is D minor, so D in the left hand. In the right hand, that's D, F, A, root position. So from F major, you're just bringing your thumb in to D. And then we have A minor. So A in the left hand, in the right hand, we're going to play C, E, A. It's first inversion. You hold that for 4 beats. So from the beginning, we have 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. We play that F major again, 1, 2, D minor again, 1, 2, and then we have C major root position. So that's C in the left hand, in the right hand, that's C, E, G. So at the end of the intro, after we've held the C major, 1, 2, 3, play the chord 2 more times followed by the C. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it's into the verse. So for the verse we have the F major chord again, but we're going to be playing the chord twice whilst the left hand is held. Then we have D minor twice, and then C major 4 times. We repeat that chord progression as it says on the screen 4 times. So I'll just demonstrate this from the very beginning to the end of this first verse. Hi there, just quickly before we continue, let me know if you're enjoying this video and how you're getting on with learning this lesson so far in the comments section below. I love chatting to you all. Please give the like button a press. Make sure that you are subscribed so I can keep on making these free tutorials for you. Hit bell notifications so you're notified every time I upload a new video. If you're interested in learning how to read music, I have an entire book and that is linked below where you can purchase that on Amazon, and I also teach this in a full video course as well, so that's linked down below for you as well. You can go and check out the free preview. So let's continue. So now we're into the pre-chorus. Again, I'm basing this a bit more off a live version. So we have A minor. So we've had A minor before, but we're going to be playing it in root position up here this time. A, C, E. So we play that twice. G in the bass, so C over G, G in the left hand, in the right hand that's G, C, E. And then we're going to play F major 7, so in the left hand that's just an F, in the right hand that's A, C, E, so it's like going back to playing A minor again. So those notes all together make F major 7. And then we have D minor 9. So you're just going to again keep your hand in this position and just change the left hand to a D. So I'll do all that again, so from the A minor, C over G, F major 7, D minor 9, and repeat. Just hold it there. There's darkness in the distance from the way that I've been living, but I know I can't resist it. And now into the chorus. So the chords are just on the screen, so there's nothing new. So we've got this F major, the D minor, then the A minor. You can play octaves if you want to. Some of my lowest notes might be out of shot. So it's nice and straightforward for the chorus because we've already done all of these chords, so you just repeat that 4 times. So I'll just demonstrate the chorus now. Oh, I love it and I hate it at the same time. You and I drink the poison from the same vine. Oh, I love it and I hate it at the same time. Hiding all of our sins from the daylight, running from the daylight, running from the daylight. Oh, I love it and I hate it at the same time. And then we're into this next verse. So for this next verse, we'll just play the piano part the same way as the first verse. Telling myself it's the last time. Can you spare any mercy that you might find if I'm down on my knees again? Deep down, way down, Lord, I try to follow your light, but it's nighttime. Please don't leave me in the end. And then for the pre-chorus, it's the same, but we're just going to play the chords 4 times each. So I'll just do it without singing first. Like that. There's darkness in the distance. I'm begging for forgiveness, but I know I might resist it. So this next chorus, we're effectively going to play twice, but the first time we're going to just play the right hand an octave higher, and then the second time we're going to bring it back down to where we were playing it before. Oh, I love it and I hate it at the same time. You and I drink the poison from the same vine. Oh, I love it and I hate it at the same time. Hiding all of our sins from the daylight, running from the daylight, running from the daylight. Oh, I love it and I hate it at the same time. the outro, we're just going to hold these chords down. We have the F major, D minor, A minor, so this is all the same before. And then we almost have those chords again, but we're going to play them in a different inversion, or the last two. So F major is the same. And then for D minor, it's actually a D minor 7. So D in the left hand, in the right hand, you're going to play F, A, C. And then your little finger's going to stay there. I'm going to play A minor as the last chord. So A in the left hand, in the right hand, that's E, A, C. I'll just play that outro again. That's the end of this video. If you have a request, please leave them in the comment section of this video. Also remember to like and subscribe. I've left some videos here you might like, so go and check those out. I also have a course, so if you would like to learn how to read music from scratch, go visit Bitesize Piano Course.co.uk. You can enroll and start learning. I'll see you in the next video.